Hi students. Today I'm going to show you how to do the speaking assessment practice. So as you can see, I'm in the classwork in week 5 and I see the assignment. So it says, what are the steps for finding a Metro personal interest course and registering? Use some of these words. Click, scroll down, search, select. Write down the 6 steps and then send me a voice message. Use Vocaroo, or you can just send it to me on WhatsApp. So I've got keywords for you here. Number 1, first, to next, then after that, then finally. Okay, so with your pen, you should be writing down these instructions in your notebook. So I've got my notebook. And I'm writing down exactly what Julie wants. Okay, so first, next, then, after that, then, and finally. And I'm also supposed to use the words click, scroll down, search, and select. All right, so now I'm going to click on the link here, Metro. Okay, so that was your step number 1, right? First, click on the link, and then I'm going to have to find those personal interest courses. Where are they? Maybe if I scroll down. No, I didn't see them there. Oh, I guess I have to go over here. So next, click on the menu, hamburger. You call that a hamburger? Okay, and now I'm looking for personal and professional courses. Oh, here they are. So then click on personal and professional courses. Okay, and I've got to scroll down. I think I can do that by grabbing this bar and looking. Oh, personal and professional enrichment. That's it. So which one do I want to click on? I'm gonna look at passions and pastimes, maybe online learning. What's an online learning? Let me find a class that I want to take. I'm gonna scroll down. Okay. Oh, okay. So after that, click on the class. So painting in the spirit of Van Gogh, that looks like a neat class. So I'm going to click on learn more. And it's just, okay, so it's giving me some details. So what do I do next? Okay, so now I have to add to cart. Okay, and it looks like I am new to this, so the final step is create a new profile. So I'm writing down those steps, and now I am going to show you how to do the recording. So you can do it by WhatsApp or Vocaroo.